Hello, y'all. I'm Mr. Wiggins. I'm one of the high school counselors here at Silsbee High School, and I'm reaching out to y'all to inform you of a tremendous opportunity that our students are going to have here at Silsbee High School. If you've received a phone call in the recent day or two in regards to welding classes or an opportunity that you may have through welding classes, then this is the video that is being specifically addressed in. So if you got that phone call and you're watching this video, you're on the right track. I'm here to tell you of this opportunity that's going to be offered here by us partnering with Lamar Institute of Technology to offer those students who are taking welding classes the ability to get dual credit for those classes. Now, what I mean by dual credit is that students who complete those courses will receive credits for both a high school credit that goes on their transcript that increases the number of credits they have, which lead to the graduation process and receiving a diploma, but also receiving college credits earned that count just like as if they were taking college credits after high school, except they'll be earning those credits while enrolled here as high school students. There's two main benefits of this that I want to just kind of point out. I recognize this is short notice. It's one of those things that just kind of happened and is being presented to you guys now, but that should also indicate some of the urgency which takes place in making the decision to enroll in this, and I certainly hope any of our students who are in the welding classes take advantage of. But back to the two benefits of this, one major benefit is a tremendous reduction in cost. I'll get into this a little more in a minute, but the amount of cost for the classes being made available through the high school is dramatically reduced for what these courses would cost for a student who's taking them after they graduate from high school. The other is that as the students complete these courses that are going to be available to them, then those courses will be recorded just as if they had completed them after high school, meaning that the students who graduate and want to continue their education will be able to take even more advanced courses than those that are being offered and that they will receive credit for here at the high school level. So basically, the main thing here is the steps to make sure that these students who are taking these welding courses get enrolled into them as dual credit courses, because either way, they're going to be taking the exact same course. If they don't sign up for it as a dual credit and they just take it as a high school course, that's fine, but that's what they'll be getting is a high school credit. If they go through this process and register with LIT, go through the application process, and do the work necessary that way, then they also get the dual credit for doing the exact same coursework. So here's what you got to do. First of all, I need you to log in or go to the appliedtexas.org website. Once you get to the appliedtexas.org website, you're going to apply to Lamar Institute of Technology just as though you would if you were applying any other time. There is no fee for completing this application, and once done, then you're essentially in their program and process and being able to register for these classes as dual credit. After that, you need to contact one of the school counselors here at the high school, myself, Miss Burrell, or Miss Smith, and let us know that you are intending to take these classes as dual credit. After that, you have to pay for the class. Now, like I had stated previously, there's a tremendous reduction in cost. First of all, one of these courses, a 3-credit course is what is typically being offered, depending on which grade level you're in, can easily be over $500 a piece. The sophomore junior classes can be over $700 a piece. Through our program here at the high school, they're going to be $150 a piece. But the best news is that once those courses are completed, if a student gets an A in the course, then that family gets all of that money back, 100%, essentially making it a free college class. If a student gets a B in the class, they get 50% of the money back. Still much cheaper than what it would be if a student were to pay for this class after high school or outside of our high school. Once those steps are completed, then this student is essentially taking a college class with the same material that they would be taking anyway as high school students. The application must be completed by August the 22nd. Once that's done, then we can make sure that everything else is taken care of on our end to be seen that the student is registered. Just make sure that you let us know that you are intending to take it as a dual credit. As far as the information you need to make sure that you get enrolled in this class, I believe it's all included in this video. If there are any further questions that you need to reach out to us for and have answered, please call us. We'll be here available. Email's fine as well, and we'll get back to you and answer any questions that you may need. Just get those applications in by August the 22nd. Thank you.